In this video, I will demonstrate how auto updates work with jDeploy. So I'm going to be using the test swing project that I created in a previous video. And you can see it's just a simple application here that's got a start button, a stop button, and it floats some text around the page. And I have three different versions of the application installed. I've got one master, one dev, and one that's just the regular version build, so it has no branch name after it. And these correspond to the releases in the repository for the project, to versioned releases. So anything that's like a tagged version release, like version 1.0.1, 1.0, these are available. They will correspond when you install the application. It won't have a branch after it. It'll just have a version number. And if you go down, the releases that are synchronized with branches, like I've got a dev branch and I've got a master branch. These correspond with the two branches. I've got master and I've got dev. And they correspond with the test swing 11 dev, test swing 11 master. And so you can see that they are slightly different. Right now, this is the production release. It's in sync with master because I just merged master, or I just created a tag off of master. But let's see how we can change these independently without having to reinstall the application. So I'm going to open the project, and I am, oops, not that one. Okay, so test swing 11, and right now I've just got a line where I'm setting the background color. And so this is on the master branch, so setting the background color is cyan. So I'm going to change it to yellow. And let's commit those. Change to yellow. This is just on the master branch. Okay, so let's just watch and see what happens. So this will have triggered a GitHub action where it's going to be rebuilding the release, and it will update just the master release. So I'll wait for this to happen. Usually takes about 30 seconds. We're already at 15. So I'll click through. So it's already finished the build. It's now building the installer bundles. So we can watch that happen. And when it's done, it is going to update the release that is synchronized to the master branch. There we go. And let's just verify that in the releases. There we go. And it says it was updated just now. So let's open our master. So I'm going to quit and reopen it. And this should recognize that the application has been updated, and indeed it has. It has my yellow background. Now let's check out, and just to verify that this did not affect my dev installation. So I'm going to open the dev, and it is still blue. And I'm going to quit the production one and verify that it also has not been changed. Okay, so maybe I'm happy with the yellow one. I actually want to roll that out to my regular customers. So I'm going to create a new tag. So instead of version 1.0.1, I'm going to draft a new release and call it version 1.0.2 and target master. And yellow is cool release. And we're going to publish this release. So we'll go into actions, and let's watch this one happen too. So you can see that this action is running on the 1.0.2 tag. And this should only take about 30 seconds, but let's watch it happen. Well, it looks like it should be just about done here. Uploading the assets to the release. Okay. I think we're, yeah, all done. So let's check out our release. It's 1.0.2 that I just made, and it's got all of my download links, but I don't need to re-download them. I already have the app installed. I installed it with version 1.0.1. I'm going to quit this and reopen it, and it should recognize. There we go. Now we have my yellow version. So this gives you an effective way to have different streams of your application. You could have one branch called development and one branch called stage, that where development has all the latest changes, and maybe stage you have it more stable, where you do code freezes a week before the release, and then maybe after that you'll tag stage and create your production release, and your end users would be using that release. So it makes it very easy all of a sudden to distribute your desktop applications without the user having to re-download it every time you make a change. Thanks for watching this video.